Hello, my friend. On a hot summer day, what's more refreshing than the cool crunch of a fresh cucumber? It's a staple in our salads, a key part of a backyard BBQ. But have you ever stopped to wonder where that perfect, straight, seedless cucumber you buy at the grocery store actually comes from? I can tell you it almost certainly did not grow in a traditional field. Today, we're going inside a colossal city made of glass, a high-tech greenhouse that produces an unbelievable 69 million cucumbers a year. This is a world where there is no soil, where bees are a hired workforce, and where a central computer brain controls the weather. This is the future of farming, and it's happening right now. Welcome to a modern mega-greenhouse. These structures are immense, covering dozens of acres under a single glass roof, so large they could fit entire professional sports stadiums inside. They are agricultural factories, designed to do one thing: create the absolute perfect environment for growing a single crop, 365 days a year, regardless of the weather outside. These massive facilities can be found all over the world, from the hot deserts of Arizona to the snowy plains of Canada. By controlling the environment completely, they can grow fresh vegetables locally year-round, drastically cutting down on the long-distance shipping required from places like Mexico or Southern California. This allows them to deliver a fresher product to your store, often within a day of being picked. The first thing you'll notice inside is what's missing: dirt. These cucumbers are not grown in soil. This is a hydroponic system, one of the most efficient ways to grow food on the planet. The journey begins with a seed planted in a small, inert cube made of rock wool, a fibrous material made from melted rock. Once the seedling is strong enough, the entire cube is placed into a long trough or slab. The roots grow out into this controlled environment, where a nutrient-rich water solution is dripped directly to them, a process called fertigation. A computer system mixes a perfect cocktail of nitrogen, potassium, calcium, and other minerals, delivering exactly what the plant needs, right when it needs it. This method eliminates soil-borne diseases and allows the plant to focus all its energy on growing fruit. To maximize space, the cucumber plants are trained to grow vertically. They climb up strings that can stretch 20 or 30 feet towards the glass ceiling, creating a dense, green jungle. This vertical farming technique allows for an incredible yield per square foot, far greater than a traditional field. But in this sealed glass world, there's no wind or natural insects to pollinate the millions of yellow blossoms. So, the farm brings in a specialized workforce: bumblebees. Hives containing thousands of commercially raised bumblebees are placed throughout the greenhouse. They are incredibly efficient pollinators in this enclosed space, diligently flying from flower to flower, ensuring that each one turns into a perfectly formed cucumber. The entire greenhouse is run by a central computer, the brain of the operation. It constantly monitors and adjusts every variable. It controls temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels to optimize photosynthesis. It opens and closes roof vents, deploys shade screens, and turns on powerful grow lights in the darker winter months to simulate a perfect summer day, every single day. For pest control, instead of widespread chemical spraying, these farms use a sophisticated strategy called integrated pest management. If harmful pests like spider mites or aphids appear, the farm releases an army of beneficial bodyguard insects. Tiny predatory mites will hunt the spider mites, and parasitic wasps will lay their eggs inside the aphids. It's a natural biological form of pest control that keeps the crop safe without the need for harsh chemicals. Because the growing conditions are always perfect, the harvest never stops. Every single day, workers patrol the endless rows on electric carts that can rise and lower, allowing them to reach all parts of the tall vines. They carefully select and snip the mature cucumbers by hand. A single plant is continuously harvested for months, producing dozens and dozens of cucumbers in its lifetime. This daily harvesting is what allows a facility like this to achieve the mind-boggling number of 69 million cucumbers a year. The sheer volume of fresh produce flowing out of this one location every day is enough to supply a major city, and it does it all while using up to 90% less water than traditional field farming for the same amount of produce, as the water in the hydroponic system is captured and recirculated. From a single seed in a rockwool cube to a perfectly straight, shrink-wrapped cucumber in your grocery store, the journey is a marvel of modern agricultural engineering. This is more than just a farm. It's a food production factory that uses technology to create a predictable, safe, and high-yield product while using fewer resources like water and land. This system ensures you can have a fresh, crisp cucumber for your salad in the middle of a Canadian winter. And it might just be a blueprint for how we feed a growing global population in the future. 1. Does knowing your cucumber was grown in a soil-free, computer-controlled environment make you feel more or less confident about its quality and safety? 2. These greenhouses produce perfectly uniform vegetables year-round. Do you think this convenience is worth the loss of seasonal variety and the natural imperfections of field-grown produce? 3. This technology allows us to grow food almost anywhere. Where is the most unexpected place you could imagine one of these giant glass cities for farming being built? If this look inside the incredible world of high-tech cucumber farming amazed you, hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. Your support helps us explore the future of our food. Thanks for watching, my friend. We'll see you in the next one.